Do you hear the thunder? Late at night I start to wonder if you're looking back at me. Will you be here for another eternity?
Hi, Chape. My room is a freaking mess. I can't wait to be done. This is my setup right now. I put the mirror in the bathroom. As usual, running late for my train. The train's at 2:05 and it's 2 p.m. now.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me. No, I blow away.
This is really fucking scary. Thank you.
To measure up to what don't mean nothing. Oh, it's so good to be free. Yeah. No slave to society. No.
Let's go.
I realize that to fit in is quitting on the one and only me. Oh, I'm freest as me.
I finally done biking from Central Park to WTC and I'm fucking exhausted.
Can't handle it. I won't please the pack, cause I'm free.
Stop at Urban Outfitters to exchange a couple of items.
Have you tried Assam laksa?
Ooh.
Well, if you don't mind, I might try to see you later.
Come big and buddy.
Well, now you got eyes, and now you should see that I'm lonely. Anyway.
A couple of our friends are coming over for ugly sweater Christmas party. It was raining earlier, so my hair got all freaking damn frizzy. So trying to salvage whatever I can. It was not turned on, I just turned it on. It's finally hot now. I almost bored myself. This is the period where I regret getting my hair bleached. The bottom of my hair is getting very brassy. I'll put this baby hair. Like, this shit keep going like whoop, like no go do. What the fuck? Calm down. Yeah, better. Finally found his Christmas sweater. He has another jumpsuit somewhere. And then the hat.
Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great.
So you make a hole and then shove it all here. Go, go, help, help.
That was good. I want that one.
Scoop it like that. Eat the whole damn thing.
I have my own.
It's really good.
Now next dump this and then I'm like,
Yeah,
dump? What is the dumping?
Don't ever do a food channel video. Like shove this in and dump this is so violent. Just
My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there.
Where did the Christmas
That is our alcoholic tree, yes.
I'm an alcoholic.
It's with pita, chicken, and homemade. What sauce is this? Ranch, yogurt.
It's not ranch.
Oh, it's yogurt.
It's a yogurt mayo.
Yogurt, mayo, and then
Vinegar.
vinegar,
Dill.
dill,
Pepper.
pepper,
Salt.
salt,
Garlic powder.
garlic powder, and then I have veggies. And now
Lavalka.
ready, shawarma. Taste test, I guess.
Oh my god, this is so good.
This Christmas sweater has the dinosaurs with the Christmas hat. Where's my Christmas hat? Losers, we are the champs. Okay. Now I'm ready. This sweater has dinosaurs on the top, and even the pattern, big ass dino on the front with the Christmas hat that I match. And that's our Christmas tree. She's a beauty. She's tall and brings joy, and that's what matters. I'm not tipsy yet though. This is just a share. I mean, 3 different type of milk in Spanish. I forgot to do my timesheet. I was off this whole week. Today is the last day for December timesheet, actually for the year. I was supposed to film the remaining part for my YouTube video for the closet cleanup, but then I am so freaking hungover right now. Probably gonna hear it in my voice. Take my hand. Face.
Saudi Arabia.
They that wait on the Lord. Thank you.
This guy ate crap from the trash, so I had to wash him real quickly. What were you doing, buddy?
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem. Cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend, gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you. Cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
I have my donation pile here, and then I have a couple of things to put away. Just me and my favorite Korean noodles. Yeah. And now I'm gonna edit the closet cleanup video. Finally. I recently got anti-aging set from Soko Glam. Soko Glam, hands down, has become one of my favorite store to buy skincare items. So the eye cream and vitamin C did not come with the set, but I'm planning to continue using it. I have used the powder version of vitamin C as well. No complaints. It's just easier to use the liquid form. So I woke up really late and now I'm just editing. I have 7 hours of footage I need to go through. For lunch, I know it looks very appetizing. Whatever was left over is about to get spoiled. I just mix it up all together. To spice things up, I put this Taiwanese sauce. I didn't realize how spicy this sauce is. My mouth was literally burning earlier, so I had to put some spicy mayo. Second round of pani puri. Went to see apartments today. Our release is up in March.
Call yourself a free spirit, a wild thing, and you're terrified somebody's gonna stick you in a cage. Well, maybe you're already in that cage and built it yourself.
Are you ready for a workout? We got fall for dinner. Oops. Trying out the matcha green tea today, and I'm making one for my sister too, the same flavor.
Down in your heart.
10:11 a.m. and I'm so hungry. I just got done working out, so I just made kimchi fried rice. Well, kinda with spam.
Something that I already said. You like the pretty with the pretty voice. Who's trying to sell you something? Something that
Devin, come here. I can't believe I used to spend almost $15 on avocado toast a couple of years ago. Such waste of money. You can just take the avo, put the salmon, and you're good to go.